The globally spreading coronavirus is the most challenging pandemic in the recent century. Families lost their loved ones. Global economy deteriorated. A double blow for so many. It is a disaster shared by all. It is also a fight shared by all. Yutong launched its COVID-19 mobility solution to address all the following challenges in the fight against the pandemic. New outbreak in a densely populated area, short of medical supplies for countermeasures, scared and panicked people rush to the hospital, causing cross-infection between patients and medical practitioners, making things even worse. Does it cost too much to build new medical facilities in high-density, high-mobility areas, like way over budget? High-risk groups in the countryside have little medical access. How can we allocate unequally distributed medical resources dynamically? Don't worry, Yutong tackles each of them. Yutong's COVID-19 mobility solution consists of 9 vehicles that form a team of dream. The Mobile Nucleic Acid Testing (NAT) vehicle is developed with real-world experience of fighting the disease. It is designed to provide touchless sample collection to protect medical practitioners. An NAT vehicle collects 1,000 samples in 8 hours. NAT vehicles and mobile CT scanners work as a team. The vehicles carry various medical class gadgets and equipment placed separately and meet laboratory testing requirements. Once samples are received, the NAT vehicle tests 200 samples in 8 hours. If there are 5 lab workers in the vehicle, they can perform 1,000 tests in 8 hours. Some probable cases of COVID-19 can be confirmed by CT. Negative pressure ambulance and negative pressure tents to ensure safe transfer of patients and medical isolation, avoiding cross-infection and spread of the virus. Healthcare Waste Emergency Treatment System and Transport Truck transports medical waste in a safe and fast manner, protecting healthy people from the spread of infectants. Last but not least, refrigerated van for vaccine transport and mobile vaccine clinic. COVID-19 vaccines have been developed. Public use of the vaccines is just a matter of time. Unlike traditional mobile vaccine clinics, Yutong's vaccine clinic is designed specifically for immunizing legions of adults to facilitate the immunization process. Each vehicle works flexibly and is ready to serve another site after its current task. Yutong's COVID-19 mobility solution avoids the hidden danger caused by the irregular flow and concentration of people. The vehicle is bound to proactively approach and identify potential infected people with rapidity and flexibility, which helps save a lot of costs. It is developed to end the pandemic and get everything back to normal as soon as possible. Yutong is teched up with you to fight the pandemic together. Better bus, better life.